Hi traders, this is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com. Hope you guys are enjoying this beautiful weekend. We're going to take a look at the BIDU chart here really quick. We've got this beautiful uptrend line here. So many touches against that trend line. Really nice plays against that trend line. And right now we're getting a little bit extended right here. We did break over this resistance of 180 right here from the highs of this candle and the lows of that candle, so that's definitely some resistance that we broke over, so now it's support. Moving forward though, I think we will possibly consolidate down to this 165 level, and that's going to match up perfectly with this uptrend line. You can't see it extend that far, but by the time that by the time BIDU comes down here, it'll be matching up perfectly with this uptrend line here and with this 165 support. Again, I'm not trying to short BIDU at this point. I'm just trying to wait for it to come down to our level. Hopefully we can get it down at that level. If it decides to kind of just take off from here, what we're looking for is a touch of this 200, and that would fill the gap from this little doji right there. You can't see the cross because that resistance line is covering it, but there's a little doji right here, and that would fill that gap at about 200, and then there's another gap to fill above at 205. So we're looking for these gaps to fill, but definitely think that we at least consolidate down here to the 180 level before heading higher, but I really do think it'll head down to about 165. At least that's what I'm hoping for, because at this current juncture we're not in BIDU, so that's kind of what we're looking for. It would also match up with some Fibonacci retracement levels at this level. I don't have it drawn because it would crowd the chart a little too much and would confuse you guys, but there's a the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level from these lows to these highs would give you about 165 right there. So another reason to select that 165 level for a bounce. We also have the middle Bollinger Band, which is this green dotted line, and that should be right around 165 by the time that BIDU, if and when BIDU comes down to that 165 level. So really like this 165 level. If it does get down there, I'm definitely going to be looking for some longs for all the reasons that I mentioned. We can take a look at the indicators. Nothing really to see here. RSI is in the power zone. Obviously, it can stay above 70 for quite some time, but that's another reason why I like it for a retracement, is because we're getting into this overbought region. Again, it can stay that way for a while, but I'm just making observations. We've got stochastics. It did cross below the signal line, but that doesn't really matter too much because it still is above 80. So if we can get a cross below the 80 mark, then I'll definitely have more confidence in the move downward to this 165 range for BIDU. So that's what I'm looking for. Be aware of these levels if and when you are trading BIDU or investing in BIDU. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two. If you found this video helpful at all, go ahead and give our 7-day free trial. Take a look at that. We've got a lot of great services to offer. You can start receiving alerts on Monday. You can also join us in the live chat room, best live chat room on the web. Everyone's making money, having fun, and most importantly, learning the ins and outs of technical analysis and learning how to implement simple and easy to use trading systems. It's a great opportunity, and I suggest you take advantage of it. We'll see you over there.